Okay. Hi everyone. Hope you enjoyed the Ernest Goes to Jail trailer, which is just the one that was loaded up here. You don't need to see that, but let's go to jail. Just made a couple of improvements to make life a bit easier for myself. Just got a couple of things running to this external control panel that I put together. I've not actually tried this in anger yet. These three aren't hooked up yet. These will be the motor kill buttons for the manual control, which I'll show you in a second. This is hooked up to the main power. There's definitely a non-zero chance that this might not work and just completely blow everything up, but let's give it a crack and see if that does work. Okay. That one was just hooked up to the whole thing's powered by the ATX power supply under there, and yeah, I'm using the regular pins that would have gone to the power switch on the computer to start that up. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll load up and show you what the other thing I've hooked up, which is this light. This light will be for sprocket hole detection. So there is a light on the Arduino Metro, but it's hidden underneath the HDMI cable, so it's actually quite hard to see. So we'll go into the manual control. Just give me one tick. And all right, so we're loading up. Oh, where are we? Oops, did I forget to press tab? Anyway, we'll load up the. Sorry about the glare. The manual control, which will hopefully load that. And as I said, I haven't actually tested this yet. So if I kill the motor there and run this through, that should light up when it there we go, detects a sprocket hole. So you can kind of when you're framing up, you can sort of fish around for that sprocket hole. And where are we? There we go. As you shift it back and forward, and that's your that's the alignment, and that's telling you that this is picking up the sprocket hole in there. That's the way that the film advances in here. There's no physical sprocket or anything like that. It's shining a light through here, and whenever there's film, so there's two light pipes here, and there's an LED source here. So this takes the light and then pipes it into this chamber here. And if there's a piece of film there, the land in between the sprocket hole will reflect light back out of this light pipe, and then read that in the Arduino as a signal. If you have a hole, it doesn't reflect light back, and that's an off. So it counts those. It counts 4 for, well, so 16mm A-mil film, it counts 1 per frame. For 35mm film, it counts 4. And I think that's the only one that really does that. I mean, I don't do 70mm, but yeah, I think 28mm or 1-to-1. So yeah, that's what that's doing, and that's why I built this little off-board. That'll make life easier because, as I say, it is on the Arduino under the HDMI thing there. I don't know if you can see that lighting up. Impossible to see. That's where I am with that. And yeah, in this mode, the motors are normally, like, I can't move that because the stepper motor is locked. Normally you would press EDC to release, and then you can move them, right? And that's how you, yeah. But I'm gonna hardwire those into those 3 buttons there just to make life easier. So yeah, that's where we're at there. Yeah, I had to take the whole thing out to do soldering, so all the focus has shifted. But yeah, thanks for watching.